Put your arms crossed. All right. Come on. All right, do it one more time. One more time, please. One more time. That's it. All right. Nope. Like this. All right. Now, pull yourself up. Come on. Come on. Come on. You gotta pull yourself. Come on. Do it. Is that what you do? All right. Now do push-ups. Do push-ups. On the ground. Yeah. Push-ups, push-ups, push-ups. Turn around. Turn over. Yes, you can. What is that? You better put your feet. You want to put your shoes on? Okay, well, you gotta wait. All right. Now do push-ups. Come on. Brandon, push-ups, not butt in the air. Brandon, show him how you do push-ups. You mad? You mad? Seems like it. Stop scratching your face. Ugh, get on my nose.